my name's Emma. I'm a Sonic teacher and I'm the new front desk manager and the new TT administrator. I'm about to answer some questions. All right, first question, describe yourself in 3 words. I would say determined, curious, and sarcastic. Next question, what do you love about teaching yoga? That's a deep question. I think being able to provide a safe space for people to kind of like figure out their own reasons for being in a yoga class and just coming into yoga in general, I think is a really beautiful thing because yoga is such an individual thing. Kind of creating a safe space to do that is something that I haven't really found in other, things that I've taught before, and I think that's beautiful. What excites you about being a new manager? I love the community here. I love working one-on-one with people, so I'm really excited to get to know members a little bit better, and I'm really excited to get to know all of the new teacher training students. Next and last question. What have you learned since joining Sonic? So many things. Number 1 would be to not have an ego. There's always going to be something that's challenging, and to learn to view that as a good thing rather than something that's an obstacle is only going to better your experience as you're coming along the path of yoga. And I think the community here has really established, number 1, a safe space, and number 2, a really, really fun place where you can push yourself and not be worried just about poses and asana, and connecting to yourselves a little bit deeper than just beyond asana and poses. And yeah, many other reasons, but we'll get to those later on. Yeah, thank you.